Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. We have hit the third in a three-part series on the Outre Swirlista wigs. If you're kind of taking these out of order, I've done 3 videos. If you're taking these 3 out of order, there's no problem. We will get you updated. But these Swirlista wigs came as a recommendation from a Facebook page I follow called Wig Slayers, and their CEO, COO, boss lady in charge, Nicole Sanders, has been flipping deals. Oh, that girl, I don't know how she finds time to sleep. She's been flipping deals for those of us who follow her through Waba Hair and Beauty Supply, and I will have the links to both Wig Slayers and Waba Hair in the description box. So I had purchased 3 wigs from the Outre Swirlista line. The first one being number 104, which was a beautiful mid-length unit, just lovely, one that I could wear just every day. I love that unit. That came out so nice. Then we went on to 102, which was longer. I think she was 28 inches, and I picked her up in a fashion color, the spiced cognac, baby. And so the last one we're going to do will be 106. And with each of these wigs, I never take them out of the box until I'm getting ready to film a YouTube video. So I'm surprised just like you. Ooh, so pretty. So I want to say thank you to Outre for this fabulous box. We love this. Open her up. Oh, it's just absolutely wonderful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And today we're reviewing number 106. Quick recap, what makes the Swirlista line so special? The deeper, wider, hand-tied lace hairline. You have 5-inch deep C-shaped parting. Pre-attached band in case you want to do glueless installation. I have not yet, but one day I probably will. Redesigned comfort fit ear contour, soft HD transparent lace. These wigs are plucked to precision. I'm going to show you in just a moment. The hairline is gorgeous. The parts are fantastic. What really makes the Swirlista line so special is that they allow you more room to really fancify, is that a word? Baby hairs. It's made to melt even better and give you more lace for you to finesse and swirl your baby hairs your way. As we have discovered these past few installs, I can't swirl a baby hair to save my life. And that's fine, because I tend to not really want the very fancy swirls. I really like, I know, a more subtle blend to them. And many times I don't want them at all. But what's so great about these wigs is you have the option. So again, just showing you how that extra space allows you to really finesse your baby hairs. And Swirlista 106 is 24 inches. I am loving, guys, look at that part. Look at that part. Does that just make you get happy? And I love with each of these wigs that soft, beautiful curl. I picked her up in a fashion color. This is DR2 / chocolate swirl. Child. Beautiful, beautiful transparent lace. Look at that part. Guys, that plucking, precision pluck, y'all. And always remember, pretty girls swirl to whatever degree they choose. right, y'all. Can we just have a moment of silence? Just a moment. I didn't think I would do this. I unintentionally saved the best one, my favorite, for last. This one here. Yeah, I'm about to spring this on hubby any minute. As soon as I finish with y'all, I'm gonna go spring this on hubby. This is lovely. The curls are so soft and just so flattering on the face. Can be worn as a side part. I believe it does come as a side part, and you know how I feel about a side part. But guys, look at the hairline. The parting on this is lovely. Didn't do a whole heck of a lot. Just put the little soft fringe that we did. And it still turns out beautiful. Whether you do the really beautiful Swirlista swirls or you just leave it plain like I do. It's stunning. And don't even get me started on this color, guys. This chocolate. This is just everything. And she is 24 inches, was it? I want to thank you. I want to thank you so much for staying with me for all of these Swirlista reviews. If you've been with me every week, I want to say thank you so much. And I really believe I did my favorite for last. So hopefully, if you have been following this series, you have checked out the Swirlista line. I hope you found something that just pleases you so. Overall, I have been extremely pleased. Oh, and did you notice? I did this one glueless. I really took advantage of the back band. And normally I stay away from that back band because some of you know how by the end of the day, you've got a throbbing headache, you're lightheaded, you're ready to dial 911 because it's just too much pressure. But this one feels pretty good. And the only place I really had to get serious were the ear tabs. That's always a problem for me. I don't know, shape of my head or what, but it's always been a problem for me. But we did very minimal adhesion to this. So really took advantage of the glueless feature to this wig, and so glad we did, and still got beautiful results. Okay, y'all. Thanks again so much. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. I so appreciate it if you haven't already. Please thumbs me up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about these Swirlista wigs. And guys, we're looking so forward to seeing you next time. Stay blessed.